not too bad. So once again, this engine's a 350 Vortec heads with a 3-angle valve job, dual quad intake, so 2 4-barrels, headers. I got a 2.5-inch exhaust out the back. Other than that, it's, you know, pretty stock. It's 4-bolt bottom end, but it's a nice car to bomb around, and it still gets decent. I mean, if I'm bombing around town, I'll get 11 or 12 miles per gallon, but on the highway I'll get, you know, 17, 18, maybe 20 if I'm taking it easy with the on the gas here. But right now I'm not worried about fuel economy. So let's wait for a car to go by here and we'll get her going here. Okay. Stuff. So doing 100k 60 mile an hour or so, and it's tacking at about 1800 rpm. So it's even with 342 gears, which and a Truetrax differential, she tacks at a decent rpm on the highway. So call that for today, and we'll just gonna head into town here and we'll get another video.